Hello my darlings, it's Dean back from New York City. Yay! I had such a great time in New York for New York Fashion Week. Oh, the first 2 days were a little something. It rained for the first 2 days. I missed the shows on the first day because the lift would not let me be great. But I made that all up when I got to go see the Real Boutique in SOHO. It's on 80 Wooster Street, right in the heart of SOHO, right across from Celine, darling. Right across from all the good goods. And so I was so excited to go because I'm such a fan of the Real. That's where I can sign a lot of my items. And so I have real money to spend, and I was looking to spend it in this store. So let's take a look at the store and all the things that they have to offer, and then we'll come back with my glowing review. Let's see some of these men. I love that. Oh, the epi. Thank you. I hope my husband isn't eyeing any of this. Oh, is this nice?
Yes.
Oh, I like that.
I'll let me grab that.
Sorry, some folks walking behind me. Let's see some other men's stuff. One of the other cool things is that they actually have videos showing you how to authenticate.
Yeah. Okay.
I love this. I could sit here all day and watch this. And then here's the coffee bar.
Yeah,
they're just setting up today. Let's see, what do they have? Classic, Olay. Okay. Get some coffee and watch my video. Really cool place though. Here's some more men's. You know, I don't know. Oh, Chanel scarf. I think they're putting stuff away. I don't want my husband getting any ideas. I did see this though. Look at this. I like that. Sorry, thank you. Okay, so here is the bag section. And I don't know if, oh, can you hear me? So I don't know if I told you guys this, but you can use your Real credit. So all of my resellers, oh, look at that Goyard bag, y'all. Okay, sorry. You can use your Real credit. Oh my gosh, they have my bag. Oh my gosh, they have my bag. Okay, sorry. You can use your credit here at the store. So, you know, if you're like me and have been saving up for your Chanel Jumbo, ooh, look at all that. You can basically save and then come to New York and have an experience and buy it here. You know what? I actually have been wanting this on my bag, but it's so little and I don't think the strap fits around my boobies. Might have to do a fashion show. Oh yes, darling. They have all the Hermes. All the Hermes. They have my boy bag. They have, oops, sorry. Is that a jumbo? It's a jumbo! Okay. So I'm gonna stop vlogging because I want to try on bags. Yeah, I'm not interested in any of this. I want to try on this right here, this right here, this right here. Here are the clothes. Look at this. Doesn't everybody want a closet like this? No, y'all know. Let's see, what's the price? The Chanel pants. 30 off of $5.95. Okay. It's not bad. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. So a lot of this is new with tags. I think I'm seeing new with tags right here. Victoria Beckham. Yes, it's new with tags. The Real, $23.10. Oh no, that's the original price, $23.10. The Real is $6.95. It's a really good price for Victoria Beckham. Let's see, who's this? It's pretty. Madame. Self-portrait. It's $2.75. A lot of stuff is new with tags, y'all. Givenchy. $14.20 for the river, $4.25. Yeah, there's a lot of deals to be had. So there you go. I just really enjoyed this store. If you shop in New York and you shop in SOHO, I like SOHO. I like to go and fatten my eye. I love the fact that you can go to a Celine or Balmain or Chanel. You can go to all these stores and, you know, really ogle the items and then go around the corner to the Real and make your purchase. If you're able to go ahead and spend full price at Chanel, then me and you need to be friends, or you and I need to be friends. But for me, it was so like refreshing to go to the Chanel store and look at all the amazing things that they have, and then go to the Real and see that they had my Chanel jumbo there. As you saw, they had Chanel jumbos, they had Chanel boys, they had Celine Phantoms, they had the Fendi Peekaboo, they had all my bags, they had all the clothing. Of course, I'm a curvy girl, so I'm not able to fit into it yet. By the end of the year, I'll be all up in that clothing section. But a lot of stuff was new with tags, and so it was a refreshing experience and a great addition to SOHO. So congratulations to the Real. I'm waiting for them to come to Miami. Oh yes, we need a Real boutique in Miami. Wynwood, oh my gosh, Midtown. If you're watching this, the Real, Midtown, let me know. You know, I'll do a grand opening, darling. I'll let that happen. Anyway, there you go, the Real SOHO boutique. If you're shopping, and you know what, I have so many thoughts in my head. So if you're shopping in SOHO, you definitely need to go. I'm really thinking about doing a New York shopping trip. There was so much shopping to be done, and I feel like if we got a couple of women to do like SOHO one day, we can thrift one day, we can go to like Harlem and Uptown to thrift, like we could just make it a complete shopping trip. I think that would be amazing. Leave a comment below. Leave a comment below if that's something that you would want to do. And we can go have breakfast in the cafe downstairs at the Real before we go shop. So there you go, my first video. I'm gonna have a few more videos for you of all my shenanigans, as Jocelyn would say, my shenanigans in New York City. So stay tuned, and yeah, love you. We never pay retail. Go shop the Real with your credit, honey. Bye.